Hi people, very glad to meet you all. Today, from Group 6 under Elementary Statistics, we are presenting you the Group Assignment 1. The topic we've chosen is primary data. Data is collected by researchers for specific research. Friends, we have several ways to collect primary data. The first is by surveys. Surveys are describing, recording, analyzing, and interpreting conditions that exist or existed by asking from the respondents. Up next, under survey, we have face-to-face interview. This is a two-way communication where researcher asks questions directly to the respondent. Standardized questionnaire is used, and trained interviewers ask fixed questionnaire in a consistent format where mainly specific questions are directly asked to them. There are certain advantages and disadvantages in face-to-face interview where the respondent might give precise answer and the body reaction can guide the interview, but it may cost a lot of time and money. Moving on to phone interview. Phone interview is an interview for employment conducted on the phone, narrows the pool of applicants who will be invited for in-person interview.
Hello, we are calling from XYZ Ltd Enterprise for the phone interview. Are you Nemi?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for the phone interview?
Oh yes, of course.
That's good. Let's get started then. Can you please tell me about yourself, Nemi?
Of course, I am about to complete my degree in example studies, a course I choose after getting some experience in the sector while I was in sixth form.
There are some advantages of phone interview, which is fast and wider respondent coverage, while disadvantages are information obtained might not represent the whole population. The next method in surveys are questionnaire. Questionnaire is a set of questions to obtain related information for a conducted study. This is a sample questionnaire given to obtain data. The advantage of questionnaire is that it has a wider respondent coverage and it's cost-effective, while the disadvantage is that it's one-way interaction and a low response rate. The next way to obtain primary data is by observations. In observation, the information is sought by way of investigators' own direct observation without asking from respondents and modifying the subject studied. As you can see here, Natra is making an observation. In this study hall, there are 57 students of UUM who are busy doing assignment. Some of them are wearing spectacles. From observation, in the place there are 28 of students who are wearing spectacles. The advantages of making observation is that the direct observation of actual situation minimizes response bias. The disadvantage is that limited to specific observable subject or behavior may be time-consuming. The next way to obtain primary data is by experiments. In the experiment, investigators manipulate variables to study the effect on respondents. The advantage of experiments is that it is designed to suit purposes and may use actual clients or volunteers. The disadvantage is that it may be costly. That's all for today for primary data. Thanks for watching and happy learning.